Hi everyone, 𝗖cie𝗺𝗀𝗀𝗶𝘀𝘀𝗶𝘀 here from the Tricity Homes team at Davenport Realty, and today we are at our newest listing, 205 Westoak Trail, Unit 58 in Kitchener. This brand new urban townhome with almost 1,000 square feet of living space offers 2 bedrooms, 1 full bath, a private balcony from the primary bedroom, and 1 parking spot. Let's head inside and check out this lovely unit. As you enter to the main door, you make your way up to the upper level. The bright upper level features a modern kitchen with stainless steel appliances, built-in microwave, double sink, and matching herringbone backsplash. The spacious open concept living features luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout, large sliding doors bringing in an abundance of natural light. The ensuite laundry, the covered balcony from the primary bedroom, and 1 parking spot completes this brand new move-in ready home. 205 Westoak Trail, Unit 58 is conveniently located, great schools, shopping, parks, and the beautiful trails Huron Natural Park offers, easily accessible to all major highways. I hope you have enjoyed our tour here at 205 Westoak Trail, Unit 58. If you or anyone you know that might be interested in this property, please contact us now to book your private showing. I'm 𝗖cie𝗺𝗀𝗶𝘀𝗀𝗶𝘀𝗶𝘀 from the Tricity Homes team at Davenport Realty.